Do you need an 850 score to succeed financially? Think again. The real magic number for awesome loans and rates is far more achievable. Forget perfection. Today we reveal the surprising power of a 720 credit score, your financial secret weapon. This could save you serious cash. Always hearing you need an 800 plus score? While 800 is fantastic, for many loans, the difference between 720 and 800 plus is smaller than you think. Lenders use tiers. Hit a good one, and you get their best deals. A 720 FICO often puts you in the good to excellent tier, unlocking top rates without the stress of chasing a perfect 800. Are you considering getting a mortgage? A 720 score puts you in a strong position for approval on FHA, VA, and conventional loans. While the absolute rock-bottom rates might favor 750 plus, a 720 still lands you highly competitive rates, often the same top rates. This can slash tens of thousands in interest and lower your monthly payments. Buying a car? A 720 score is your ace. It usually means prime status for auto loans, leading to way lower interest rates. Picture a 5% rate instead of 14%, that's potentially $100 less a month, saving thousands. Many top lender rates start at 720. A 720 also helps with personal loans, better approval odds, good rates, and larger amounts. For credit cards, it unlocks great rewards, cash back, lower APRs, higher limits, and those sweet 0% intro offers. You'll qualify for many popular cards, even some travel rewards. So, 720 is the sweet spot because it gets you most top-tier benefits for everyday financial needs without the intense effort of hitting 800 plus. It tells lenders you're responsible, qualifying you for great terms. It's powerful, achievable, and gives you leverage for daily financial life. To reach or maintain 720, pay bills on time. Crucial. Keep credit use under 30% per card. Don't open too many new accounts at once, and always check your credit report for errors. Chasing a perfect score is fine, but the true power often lies with 720. It proves responsibility, unlocks loan approvals, killer rates, and great card perks, saving you big. While 800 plus is aspirational, 720 is your key to financial wins. Agree that 720 is powerful? Drop your thoughts below. Like this? Thumbs up, subscribe, and check out our Credit Myths video.